Welcome to Odisha Post Live. You are watching News Roundup of the day. Here are today's top stories.
2 days after the Odisha government announced a ban on sale and use of firecrackers from the 10th of November to the 30th, Rajnagar police in Sundargarh district seized a huge quantity of firecrackers from 3 houses at Bagichapada village, the police said on Thursday. 3 persons have been arrested for illegally hoarding crackers. Forest Department officials along with vigilance officials on Thursday jointly raided an illegal sawmill at Balipatna range under the Khurda Forest Division in the district. The officials seized several equipment and logs worth lakhs of rupees from the mill, including several 60.46 cubic feet teak timber. The Higher Education Department of Odisha on Thursday issued the revised guideline of Common PG Entrance Test CPET 2020 Merit List Result Declaration. According to the guideline, the department will declare the name of the candidate selected in the CPET 2020 on November 16th. Notably, earlier it had been decided by the department to declare the result on the 7th of November. Veteran Odia devotional singer Bhikari Muhammad passed away on Wednesday night at his residence in Khandapara of Nayagarh district. He was 76 years old. Muhammad propagated Hindu-Muslim brotherhood by singing songs like Odia Chanda, Chua Pade, Janana Bhajan and the traditional Dhumpa song of Khandapara and earned fame in Odisha and outside. With the number of COVID-19 cases shooting up at an alarming rate in the national capital, the Delhi High Court on Thursday came down heavily on the Aam Aadmi Party government in Delhi and said that the city would soon turn into the corona capital of the country. An Indian government-backed COVID-19 vaccine, Covaxin, could be launched as early as February. If that COVID-19 vaccine is launched, it would be months earlier than expected. The last stage trials of the vaccine is scheduled to begin this month, senior government scientist Rajnikant was quoted as saying by the media on Thursday. President Donald Trump wants the US Supreme Court to weigh in on a presidential race that is still too close to call. However, according to legal experts in the US Supreme Court may not be able to say Trump. The experts opine that the court may not entertain Trump's plea to stop the counting of ballots that were received before or on election day. The court also might not handle the trajectory of the race in closely fought states such as Michigan and Pennsylvania.
That's all for today's bulletin. You were watching Odisha Post Live.
For more such updates, stay tuned to our channel.